Subject pronouns are words that replace the subject of a sentence. They help us talk about people, animals, things, or groups without repeating their names. In English, the main subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Learning how to use them correctly is very important for beginners. Let's take a closer look at each one and see examples. I is used when talking about yourself. Examples: I am a student. I like to read books. I will go to the park later. You is used when talking to one person or a group of people. Examples: you are my friend. You can speak English very well. You are coming with us, right? He is used when talking about a man or a boy. Examples: he is my brother. He plays soccer on the weekends. He loves chocolate ice cream. She is used when talking about a woman or a girl. Examples: she is my teacher. She likes to travel. She is going to the party tonight. It is used when talking about an object, animal, or thing. Examples: it is raining outside. It is a beautiful day. It is my favorite book. We is used when talking about yourself and other people. Examples: we are going to the movies. We live in the same city. We study English together. They is used when talking about other people, animals, or things. Examples: they are my classmates. They have 2 dogs. They will arrive tomorrow. Subject pronouns are very useful because they make sentences shorter and simpler. Instead of repeating names or things, you can use I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. Practice using them to become more comfortable speaking and writing in English. Try using subject pronouns to talk about yourself, your friends, or things around you. Example: she is my sister.